This tutorial will show you how to use the gradient tool in Adobe Illustrator. To start, I'm going to just go ahead and draw a simple shape to add a gradient to, and I'm going to select it. The gradient tab is located over on the right in your tools palette. To use the gradient tab, first thing you want to do is click on the tab, and then you're going to click in your gradient area. Your gradient is now active. You can add and remove colors and change the way that they're shaded and the amount of shading. So what I'm going to do here is create a rainbow gradient. First thing I'm going to do is, from my swatches palette or from the top, I'm going to drag down some colors into this bar at the bottom where the little colored squares are. So I'm going to drag a red down there, orange, yellow, green. And you can see in my box that my gradient is actually starting to appear. And let's get a purple down here. Alright, so I've got a gradient in here. Now you know how to add colors. If you have a color on your gradient slider that you don't want there, just simply click on the little color box and drag it into the white workspace, and it removes the color from your gradient. Pretty simple. Now if I want to change the amount of purple or the amount of green, I can just work with my sliders at the bottom, and I can also work with the little diamonds at the top in order to change how much of the color and where the shading is. I can also choose from the type of gradient. I can choose a radial gradient, go back to linear, or I can make an angular gradient. So if I move this up, it kind of changes the angle, and I can also go in the negatives and make the angle go the other way. That is how you use the gradient tool.